Niki and Ted.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hahaha. Woohoo! Let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters. Ow says ow, 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 ow. We all know that the letter O is pronounced O, but apparently the letter O also has another sound. O also pronounced ow. Many words have ow sound with the letter O or letters O in the middle of it. For example, mouth, house, brown. Can you think of a word with the ow sound? Ready, go! Time's up. Many words have ow sound with the letter O or letters O in the middle of words. For example, cow, pounds, south. Once again, can you think of a word with the ow sound? Ready, go! Time's up. Many words have ow sound with the letter O or letters O in it. For example, down, town, hours. Okay, don't forget the ow sound in the middle of words. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Please support us by click the subscribe and like buttons. It's really helps our video to be recommended to other parents on YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.